interesting things is here that says PHP is dead. Let's talk about it. Before getting started, please subscribe and like this video for YouTube purposes. Should I learn PHP in 2021? That's a pretty great question, but let me tell you something first. The most people that I talk to them about this topic that PHP is dead, they actually didn't have any great reason or good reason. You know what? They are saying these words because they hate PHP, but they actually don't have any good reason for that. For example, one of them said that PHP is slow. You know what? PHP is even faster than Python. So, to be honest, some of them are jealous because PHP is one of the most used programming languages for websites. So, let me tell you something. When a programming language is dead, let's talk about this. The first one is about updates. When you saw that a programming language actually doesn't get any new updates for years, you can almost say that that programming language is dead right now. But PHP just released its new version 8, and it has a lot of improvements. So PHP is not dead right now. I'm not big fan of PHP. I'm a PHP developer, but I'm not big fan of it. And I'm not a big fan of any programming languages because programming languages actually are tools and you just want them to solve your problem. That's it. The second one is about community. If you are a PHP developer, you definitely know that PHP has pretty active community. So, if a programming language is supported by community, it's actually not dead and bunch of people are using it. The third one is about opportunities. As you can see this picture, the job opportunities of PHP was increased in last year as usual. So there's a bunch of job opportunities for you to make money with PHP. And 80% of the website are using PHP, so you can make a lot of money. The fourth one is about framework. The most popular backend framework is Laravel, and Laravel is written by PHP. So it has a lot of opportunity for you to make money, and if you ever use that framework, you know that how sweet is this framework. So you can definitely learn PHP first and then move to learn Laravel. If you want to learn more than one programming language, that's absolutely okay. Go ahead and learn them, but don't learn any programming language at the same time, okay? Just choose one that you love and focus on it for at least for 1 year. Because most programming languages are like each other as syntax, if, switches, loops, classes, and other bunch of things, and it will be pretty easy for you to learn a programming language after another one that you really learned it deeply. The last things that I want to say is programming languages are just tools to solve your problem, okay? Just don't fight for it. That's it. Tell me your reason, comment down below. Why is PHP dead or alive? Thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And that's it. I will publish videos weekly. Peace.